Hello family, welcome back to another cooking episode with Zaya, and today's recipe is cinnamon bun. To begin, we firstly activate the yeast. So you pour half a glass of almond milk in a bowl and warm up in a microwave. Add a sachet of yeast and allow to activate. To make the dough, add in half a glass of whole milk in a separate bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add an egg. Add some vanilla extract. Add 100 grams of butter. Mix well. Add in the flour. And also the yeast mixture. And mix to a fine dough. Knead well, cover with a hand towel and put in a warm place for an hour. To make the cinnamon paste, melt 3 tablespoons of butter, add brown sugar to desired quantity. I used 8 spoons for this recipe. Add some vanilla extract. Add 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Mix well and set aside. Roll out the dough smoothly into a rectangular shape. Spread the cinnamon paste all over the top, avoiding the edges. Fold in thirds to make 3 layers. By folding the first third, then the second. And cut into strips. Take one piece at a time, slice through. And braid. Then wrap around. Brush the top with egg wash and arrange in a baking pan. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius until golden brown. Finally, the sugar glazing is made by adding 2 tablespoons of heavy cream or whole milk in a bowl with some vanilla extract and then some caster sugar to desired consistency. Drizzle the syrup over the top and serve immediately. All the ingredients used are listed down in the description box below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you are new to the channel. See you next Friday. Thank you.